サンジが戻らない。それが最悪。違うだろう。誰一人死なねえのかい。みんな死ぬかもしれない。
死ぬことを計画に入れるバカがどこにいますか、お嬢さん。
Hey everybody, welcome to another lesson of learning Japanese. Today we're going to be learning some Japanese with some anime. Not just anime, but one of our favorite series, One Piece. And as you just heard, our line is going to be the very cool line of Shinuことを計画に入れるバカがどこにいますか, Ojou-san, which is gonna translate to what kind of idiot regards his own death as part of a plan, young lady. So it's a pretty simple line, and I guess I would be lying a little bit if I said I wasn't doing this just because it was really cool. So let's just get right into it. First up, we got 3 vocabulary words that we're gonna need to know before we jump into the breakdown, and those 3 are going to be shinu, the verb that means to die, the word keikaku, which means plan, it's a noun word, and the verb word ireru, which means to put in, to insert, to include, basically. And yeah, now we got them. Let's jump into this bad boy. Our first word in this sentence is going to be the first vocabulary word that we just mentioned, which is going to be shinu, which means to die. What we're going to do is we're going to turn it into a noun. So as opposed to saying to die, we're going to say dying. So to do that, we're just going to plug in koto after it. That's the grammatical way to turn verbs into nouns. So shinu koto is going to be basically dying. And since now that the verb has been turned into a noun, we can use it as a direct object. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the direct object marker o right after it. So shinu koto o, that means it's going to be receiving some kind of action. Before we reveal that action, we are going to first review where we're going to put that. I guess this is kind of be like an indirect object. We're going to have the second vocabulary word keikaku, which is plan, and then the particle ni to represent that the plan is where the dying is going to go. That might not have made sense, but it will once we cover the next word, which is our verb word ireru, which means to put in, to insert. So shinu koto o keikaku ni ireru is going to be basically to put dying in the plan, or more naturally in our translation, regards his own death as part of a plan. Now as we move on, we're going to see that everything that we just covered so far is actually a clause that's modifying a single noun. And our single noun is going to be the word baka. It wasn't included in the vocabulary list because I'm sure most, if not everybody, knows that this word means idiot. So far we have shinu koto o keikaku ni ireru baka. And so we see here that everything that we covered before baka is just, it's not the actual sentence, it's a clause modifying the actual subject of the sentence. So as we proceed, we see the baka is marked with the subject marker ga here. Then we're going to need some other action because we still haven't included the verb action a part of the sentence because the only verb that we covered so far was actually in a clause modifying the subject. And so basically to top off the sentence here, we're just going to say doko ni imasu ka, and this is going to translate to where is the subject, and our subject is baka, so where is the idiot. Doko means where, the ni is the particle to mark a location, and then imasu ka is the polite form of the verb iru, which means to be, to exist. So if you're paying attention to the Japanese here, you'll see that the literal translation is really quite different from the final translation that we went with. This Japanese line is literally saying, where is the idiot who regards his own death as part of a plan? In the final translation, we kind of give more prominence to how the line is supposed to sound really cool, and that doesn't really fluidly naturalize into English when we say where is the idiot, so we instead say what kind of idiot regards his own death as part of the plan. Other thing we forgot to mention at the end is the Ojou-san, and that's just basically saying young lady. In this context, it's pretty much meant to be quite insulting because he's calling the person a young lady when she's really not that young at all. And yeah, that's basically gonna wrap up this whole line. It was relatively simple. To make up for that, we are gonna include the preceding line, which is said by the young lady character, and it's quite wordy, so that should prove to be the challenging aspect of this video, and a little bit of a warning. It is kind of hard to make out the context if you are not familiar with the series. But real quick here, let's just go over the grammar patterns that we went over In this line, we have the nominalizing of a verb, basically turning into a noun or a gerund by adding koto after the dictionary form of it. Then we have the basically not that much else of significance grammar-wise. Very common stuff, the doko ni imasuka, mas form, polite form, plain form, modifying a noun with a clause, that's one. So yeah, it's a pretty simple sentence, but good luck with that bonus line.
サンジが戻らない。それが最悪。違うだろう。誰一人死なねえのかい。みんな死ぬかもしれない。
死ぬことを計画に入れるバカがどこにいますか、お嬢さん。
Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this episode of Anime Line of the Day. Remember, if there were grammar patterns mentioned for this line, they'll be mentioned in the description or the pinned comment below with links to the individual lessons on them. You can also probably find them in the playlist of our complete grammar video series shown on the screen right here alongside our anime playlist. And last but not least, don't forget to try to translate the bonus line we provided. Leave your translation in a comment below. Check out our Patreon, like the video, and subscribe. With all that said and done, see you next time.